Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's been a little while. Showing off the Jconcepts Traxxas Stampede 4x4 monster truck. Done some more upgrades to it since last. Just recently this week I added the Tamiya Super Clod Buster wheels and tires. Got a really good deal. Found them on eBay. And to do that, to bolt them on, I had to order the RC four-wheel drive extenders, 12 millimeter. It has the factory Tamiya hub adapters. I've ordered the Jconcept aluminum ones off of eBay. They'll be in this week. Hot racing front and rear sway bar set up. Truck also has a hot racing aluminum servo bell crank setup in it. Probably really hard to see. Truck also has the hot racing heavy duty large slipper clutch setup in it. As I stated, I did the aluminum diff cups in it. Hot racing drive shafts. Got the Jconcept wheels and tires here. Other than that, it's got the RPM control arms, front and rear. And it's a wicked machine. It's awesome. The ultimate freestyle truck.